The channel is gonna see this car coming out fresh, unfresh, back to fresh again.
So this is my boy Zane. Last time he was on the channel, we were doing your brakes, right?
Yeah, back when this thing was looking a little beautiful.
And so that's pretty sick. He made it out a lot better than he could have, though.
It could have been done, but
the fenders are freaking mint. The bumper's freaking mint. It's just a faceplate, core support, and all that stuff that got crunched. The hood got pretty crunched too. So brought a car full of parts, and we're gonna make this thing rad again.
just needs a little love.
Jeez. So your water pump isn't even spinning when you have it on, huh?
Not at all. Held straight in place. I'm hoping the water pump didn't seize.
Alright, well, here's the before.
Soon to be the after.
My HIDs, man. Get the other one.
Man, those are surprisingly loose.
I'm just impressed that your bumper didn't get a single freaking hit.
I know, it's kind of sad though.
It's like the whole point of the bumper.
I wish it did take all the hit from off.
Oh, you got your cooler lines still attached, and your fog lights. I think. We can actually just pull some stuff off with the bumper, just chilling like that. I think that'll be the best bet.
Okay. Alright.
So if you want to start taking these bolts off, all that shit has to come out. I'll start working on the fender shocks.
What's it being held in by?
Yeah, it's still spot welded into place. Nice. Alright, so now we can look at the real damage. So that's bent back a bit. Just on one tab though. This one is mint.
I'm surprised I even got bent.
Put it together. I'm surprised that the front end of this thing isn't freaking demolished. I mean, you got out literally with just a bent tab, dude.
Oh,
Your cooling system got destroyed, but who cares? I mean, it's all replaceable. Alright, so we got the core support off, radiator, all that fun stuff. We just got to take the fan off. We're probably going to try and pound that back into shape, and then the reassembly begins. Jeez. Freaking that thing is so mangled. Did you get a new AC fan and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh yeah.
Did you see the crazy imprint on there?
Those are probably the blades that obliterated themselves.
But no hole still.
The radiator was leaking. It was
Yeah,
leaking
no
out the
leaks.
front. Rough.
That should be a commercial for them right there. Looking about straight. Probably just need to get the stud itself a little tapped up. Yeah, that's looking about even right there.
So we don't need those lines, right? We just need the condenser itself.
Yeah, because I think none of these lines even got like touched at all, surprisingly.
All right, so we got the core support on. We got the AC system hooked up. We just need to hook up the fans. And we're gonna start slamming the faceplate and the radiator back on. We're just finding some last minute mounting pieces. And the faceplate can go on. Freaking brand new paint, man. New style. Kidney girls too, look pretty mint. Brand new warranty, man.
Nothing's better than free. This looks clean. From the side, it looked
good.
like it was.
Oh, it's a radiator. Those things are.
Yeah. That's cool.
Let's put this somewhere else. I won't kick it again.
I swear, man, those things are the most annoying thing. When I was trying to get them the first time.
They're easy to do. Just, you don't have one hand.
Oh, you go side by side.
Yeah, you have to. You gotta wiggle it back and forth.
First one popped like nothing. The second one shattered.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, it was pretty old. It's expected. This is definitely way easier without the fan in.
Why, did you replace them with the fan in?
Yeah. I didn't have the fan tool.
You should have hit me up, dude.
I figured it'd be just a quick bam. Because I watched your video on it. I saw it was just... I saw you pull your fan off too. But I was like, oh, I could sneak it by.
I mean, you can. I've changed the thermostat and housing with the fan on.
The thermostat, I think, is harder, right? Because there's one bolt you can't really get because it's blocked in.
Well, you can get to it, it just sucks. Go through the hole. Alright, day 2 of fixing Zane's M3. Yesterday we got a majority of the work done. Today we just got to put the faceplate, headlight, bumper, and dial it in. Zane spent the morning at the junkyard looking for a new hood latch because his got freaking munched. I just so happened to have a spare one laying around, so we threw that in. And now we're about to put the faceplate on. How you feeling today?
Pretty optimistic.
Yeah?
This thing's about to be all done.
It looks freaking mint, dude.
Alright, it's probably the cleanest part of the car right now.
Front bumper's back on. Fender liner is zip tied because of course all the mounting tabs are broken. It's actually starting to look like an E36 again. So Zane's getting his headlights all dialed in.
They're like a HKY or something.
Okay.
Like some rip off depots, I would say.
And you're modifying the new housings to fit the lighting
H1
system?
bulbs.
Okay. Alright, Zane's got one's headlight done. It looks freaking mint, dude. I love glass headlights. I need to get a pair. Went for like a 2-minute water break and this dude's got the whole freaking light assemblies together and in. Got to do some harness repair, integrate a daytime running light, and then this side of the headlights will be done. Alright, we got that connector done. He's missing the piece that the bulb sits in, so we're gonna leave that like that. So that's done for now. Now we just gotta do the hood. You off of your shock?
No.
Should I get your hinges up? Almost done. So we think the hood hinges are bent, they're tweaked, because the hood is not sitting right. It's kind of sitting angled out. So we went to the junkyard, grabbed a new set, we're gonna throw them in and hope that it fixes that issue.
That one?
Yeah.
That actually surprisingly looks straighter than that one.
This is the old one.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I was saying this one looks straighter.
It is a bit straighter. This one, on the other hand, you can see this thing is freaking mad twisted. So we got the hood to sit properly finally. Unfortunately, the hood cable, the one that runs into the cabin, has been stretched since the accident. So we're gonna install a set of hood pins. Zane ran to AutoZone to grab a little hood pin kit so we can install it and keep this hood closed. This hood is kind of a junk hood anyway. It's got dents, that thing is tweaked. And it's got a pretty good sized tweak right there. And the paint's kind of rough. So he's gonna get a new hood anyway. So I don't feel bad at all putting hood pins on this one. So that's gonna be the plan. And then once that's done, we can bleed the cooling system. We'll be freaking ripping. All right, got our hood pin kit. I think the quality of this video is probably gonna go down from here because it's dark. But we're gonna get this thing together. There's already an existing hole. So we're just gonna oversize that and use that as is. Ta-da! Be free, little bird. Be free. I'm gonna end it here tonight. We still have some minor things we need to do to get the car dialed in, and it still needs a little bit more work. The passenger side headlight's not working, the AC doesn't have a charge in it, and just some minor, tiny other little things like that. We gotta get a different hood because the hood latch doesn't work, and we gotta get a different hood latch because the hood latch doesn't work. So there's still quite a few little things to be done on that car, but it came here totally demolished, not drivable, and we fixed it, and now it's driving. So that's pretty good progress. I'd say it's 95% of the way back to roadworthy. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I'll see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.